chop, chop, chugga, 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 choo-choo train, rolling fast through sun and rain. Letters writing one by one, learning ABC is fun. I jumped in with apple pie, B brought balloons up to the sky. C, the cat said, "Come with me." D, the duck swam in the sea. E, the engine puffed out steam. F brought flowers in a dream. G, the goat said, "Climb aboard." H wore hats that we adored. I had ice cream, cold and sweet. J brought jam for all to eat. K flew kites beside the track. L, the lion gave a roar back. M, the monkey laughed with cheer and built nests when spring was near. O had oranges big and round. P, the parrot danced around. Q, the queen wore jewels bright. R, the rabbit hopped in sight. S, the sun smiled from above. T, the train rolled on with love. U had umbrellas for the rain. V drove vans beside the train. W had watches, tick, tick, tick. X played xylophone very quick. Y, the yo-yo spun so high. Z, the zebra waved goodbye. Now the train has reached the end. Sing again, my little friend. Chugga, chugga, choo-choo say, we learned letters all today.